Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be showing how I do the aloe vera method on my head, which is basically like a deep conditioning treatment. You saw I already have the aloe vera already cut up, and here I'm just applying my Radiant Rose oil to my scalp. I usually like to do like a hot oil treatment slash deep conditioning treatment all in one. So I put the oil on my scalp, and then I put the aloe vera on my scalp as well and through my hair strands, just to get more out of the aloe vera and the Radiant Rose oil. And basically what this does for your hair is it moisturizes your hair like crazy. You guys will see like where my hair is sectioned off and it looks kind of like, it's drying up because the water is drying. But as soon as you put that like jelly from the aloe vera, which is aloe vera, it just saturates into your hair and turns your curls into just juicy, luxurious, moisturized, just everything. I leave this on my hair for probably about an hour, and I sit under a dryer just to get the most out of the process, and then I just rinse it out. But your hair is just it's amazing. Like, if you can tell from the gel, it just coats your hair. Like, it's really slimy, that is true, like you can see right here, but what it does for your scalp and for your hair is unbelievable. Like, I wish I would have known about this before I did, like a long time ago, because it is amazing for your hair. Like, if you can see, my curls are just juicy, they're more defined and things like that. I usually do this maybe 3 times a month. I really love to like wash my hair. I don't shampoo it every time, but I like to co-wash my hair a lot. I just love standing under the hot shower and just getting my hair wet. So I do this a lot to my hair. And you can find aloe vera at most health food stores. I found mine at a store called Sprouts. They also have it at a store called Fresh Time. And for a really big aloe vera leaf, it's only $1.99. It's not expensive at all. And you can get a few uses out of this. Like, you can use it on your face too, like whatever you have left. You can use it, store it in the refrigerator and use it for a few days on your face. But yeah, so I'm still just continuing on with the aloe vera. You can see here I'm puncturing the inside of the aloe vera leaf, and once you see it dries up, you can puncture it and then more of the gel comes out. Like, it is an amazing plant. Like, it's so crazy how like natural things, they're made to help us. They're made to like do things like this, and we go by things that have so many preservatives and like unnatural chemicals and things like that, and what we need is like growing right outside. So as you can see, I'm just combing it through here, and I'll let you guys go ahead and finish watching, and I'll come back when I need to explain something else. All right, y'all, so now I'm back on here. My shirt is very wet. I've rinsed out the aloe vera after an hour or so, and here I'm applying my rose water mango leave-in custard. When I say this stuff is amazing, it's so amazing. Like, it's a thick leave-in custard, and when you put it onto your hair, it's like has such a slip, and you can comb straight through. It's part of the rose water trinity, which would be an oil, a leave-in spray, and then that has aloe vera juice in it. And if you don't want to cut up the plant and everything, you can just buy mine that's already ready to go, and then this leave-in custard, and it'll be a part of like the lock method. So I have a video about the lock method, which is liquid oil conditioner, coming out soon, but basically that'll be available next week on our website, shopdrbeauty.com, and you can buy the products separate or you can buy them all together. And the shipping is like 3 to 5 days. It doesn't take long at all. So here I'm just blowing out my hair, which I hate to do. It takes a long time, but I usually blow it out maybe like twice, 3 times a year, just so I can get like a good trim and, you know, stuff like that. I trim it when it's curly too, but I like to sometimes blow it out and straighten it so that I can actually get like a really, really accurate trim. So here is the next morning. I had just went ahead and braided it. I just couldn't do no more. I had to go out and I just popped the wig over them 2 braids. So, so this is the next morning. I'm actually getting ready for church. So I had to wake up early to try to hurry up and get this done. But y'all gonna see now that I do straighten my hair out. I only go over my hair one time with the flat iron. Right here, I think I forgot, or I was excited about seeing the length of my hair, and I went over it twice. But other than that, I go over it only once with the flat iron, because I don't really need it to be bone straight to do what I'm about to do to my hair, to do like an invisible ponytail, which is what I'm about to do. But I would like for it to be straight so that it'll lay flatter and, you know, look more sleek. So, as you can see here, that's what I'm doing. And I have fine hair. It's not thin, but it's fine. So, I have a lot of hair, but the hair, like, strands are really, really small. But as you can see, I'm just going through, getting it out the way, and then the rest of the video you'll see me doing like an invisible ponytail. It was, I think, it was actually Valentine's Day, so I just needed something done quick to my hair. I had some hair that I had left over, and I just wanted to, you know, do something cute to my hair. So just stay tuned and you guys will see me molding my hair, putting on the ponytail, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so now the mold is done, and baby, do you see that length? Do you see the length of the ponytail? Like, what's really good? Y'all better run over and get y'all ready in rose oil and get y'all hair to growing. Y'all need to do so. This hair here that I'm about to show is also on shopdrbeauty.com. It's our deep curly hair, and I've had this hair for over a year. It's done been a wig, it done been a half up, half down, it done been a ponytail about 5-6 times. When I say this hair is good, it is very, very good hair. It definitely lasts, it barely sheds. Yeah, it's a very, very good texture of hair. Let me find my words. It's a very good texture of hair. I'm actually gonna insert a picture of me with this hair as a wig with 3 bundles and a 5x5 closure. All right, y'all, if you made it to this point, thank you so much for watching. That's pretty much the gist of the video. It's kind of packed with a lot of information, but please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I love giving out information that people may not know, and also just getting to know new people that are interested in what I bring to the table. Thank you.